Pregnant women must be very careful during pregnancy because she is the one who is responsible for her unborn child. Most of the pregnant women give safe birth to their babies, while some women may experience some complications and difficulties. Here are some common complications you have to know when you are pregnant. Bleeding. During pregnancy, spotting can indicate an implantation bleed, whereas bleeding can also indicate different things throughout your pregnancy. If you are bleeding non-stop and have abdominal pain and menstrual-like cramps or feel like you are about to faint during the first trimester, it could be a sign of ectopic pregnancy, which occurs when the fertilized egg implants elsewhere other than the uterus and can be life-threatening. Immediately consult your doctor. No fetal movement. We all know babies do sleep in the womb, but when your unborn baby suddenly moves less or does not move at all, it should be taken for concern. It may indicate that your baby is in unsafe position. Severe nausea and vomiting. It's very common to experience some nausea when you're pregnant. If it gets to be very severe, like if you can't eat or drink anything, you run the risk of becoming dehydrated and malnourished. That can harm your unborn baby. In other terms, it's called hyperemesis gravidarum, which is a morning sickness times 1000. It is in severe nausea that results in significant weight loss in the body and may require hospitalization. Early contraction in the third trimester. Contractions could be a sign of preterm or early labor, but most of the first-time moms may confuse between true labor and false labor. False labor contractions are known as Braxton Hicks contraction. They are unpredictable and do not increase in intensity. They will subside within an hour or with hydration, but regular contraction may be intense and are about 10 minutes apart or less. Then you must call your doctor right away if it's too early for your unborn baby to be born. Your doctor may be able to stop you from labor. Your water breaks. During pregnancy, the enlarged uterus can cause pressure on the urine bladder and may release urine without knowing. So you can get confused with it. Sometimes water breaking can be dramatic gush of fluid, but other times it's more subtle. If you're a first-time mom, it could be very difficult to understand. If you have a doubt, you can go to the bathroom and empty your bladder. If the fluid continues, then you have broken your water. Call your doctor immediately or go to the hospital. Gestational diabetes. Diabetes is a condition that prevents body from breaking down sugar. This is a type of diabetes that occurs during pregnancy. One of the biggest risks of this type of diabetes is that your baby might grow much larger than normal, a condition called macrosomia. This is mostly found in people who are overweight and having a history of GDM in previous pregnancies. You can prevent this by losing weight and sticking to a healthy diet. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.